I'm going to give you 5 reasons why people fail to even launch their residential assisted living home. 1, procrastination. Not getting started is failure. You got to get started. 2, they're not prepared. Having your business plan and knowing what to do and where to do it is critical to your success. 3, wrong location. Doesn't matter if you've got the best home in town, if it's in the wrong location, nobody's going to come. 4, trying to do it all yourself. DIY can be death to you. And 5, thinking you know it all when there's so much to learn. You know, I love the fact that I don't know everything, and even with Siri in my hand and my phone, I can get information, but I love to talk with people and work with people that have done something that I've never done, that are willing to share with me and to motivate me to get me to the next level. You see, my success is my choice. How I get there is completely up to me. I'd rather give you 5 ways to be successful, but I wanted to start there. Avoid the mistakes, do the right thing.